Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine. Let's start with the name of Allah. In this lecture, we will discuss about the working of light microscope. As the cells are macroscopic, we can't see them with naked eye. When we look at object with the help of microscope, the object appears larger because microscope magnifies it. And the most common type of microscope is known as light microscope. Let's discuss the parts and the functions of microscope. It is eyepiece and we can see the object from here, and usually the magnification of eyepiece is 10. These are the objective lens and they can rotate it so that we can use the lenses of different magnification to look at the object. It is the stage clips. It hold the slide on the stage, diaphragm, mirror, and these are the focusing knob. These focusing knobs are help to adjust the distance between objective lens and the stage to clarify the image of the object. Let's start the working of microscope. The object is put on a glass microscope slide and usually covered with the cover slip. And this slide is placed on that stage and held with the stage clips. And here is a hole, and the hole allow the light to pass through from the light source given below, and it is diaphragm and it is used to adjust it the allow more or less light to pass through that hole. When light shines through the object and into the objective lens, and then these light passes from the objective lens to the eyepiece lens and into our eye, and we can see the object from here and see the clear picture of object. Thanks.